Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make leche flan using an oven. First, let's create the caramel base. Gently melt about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar in a pan over low heat until it turns a rich amber color. Once melted, carefully pour this hot caramel into your desired molds. Swirl each mold immediately to ensure the bottom is evenly coated with the sweet, golden caramel. This forms the delicious top layer of your flan. Now, let's prepare the creamy flan mixture. In a large bowl, gently whisk 12 egg yolks with 1 can of condensed milk until well combined. Slowly incorporate 1 can of evaporated milk, mixing until smooth. Add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. For a perfectly smooth and silky texture, strain this entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into a pitcher or a bowl with a spout. This removes any lumps or chalazy. With your caramel set, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pour the strained flan mixture over the hardened caramel in each mold. Next, arrange your molds inside a larger baking pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, ensuring it reaches about halfway up the sides of your flan molds. This water bath, or bain-marie, helps the flan cook gently and evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the center is just set. Once baked, remove the flan molds from the water bath and let them cool completely at room temperature. This prevents condensation and helps the flan set properly. For the best texture and flavor, refrigerate your leche flan for at least 4 hours or even overnight. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges, then invert each flan onto a serving plate. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.